Hi, my name's Simon. Now today we're going to take a walk around and a drive of this absolutely fabulous 1967 Ford Mustang Bullitt replica, and it really is one of the most accurate externally and internally Bullitt replicas you'll ever come across. Absolutely fabulous. Two videos, one walk around, one driving, plus a bit of starting and idling action at the beginning of the driving video, although you can probably hear it burbling away behind me now. Good luck. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this Bullitt replica. Starts nicely and settles down to a nice low rumble at idle. And now we'll show you under the bonnet. 289 V8 here, fitted with Edelbrock carburettor, headers, obviously performance American style air intake, just forming just the way it should and burbling nicely. No funny business at all, it's doing what it's supposed to. Here we go. I'll tell you what, I'm a little bit too old, fat and ugly to pretend to be Steve McQueen, but this comes about as close as I'll ever get. It's rather wonderful, it really is. Okay, so here we are out in this Mustang fastback Bullitt replica, and it's fabulous, it really is. Showing 46,000 miles and driving like a big American barge, if you like. Everything's quite soft and gooey, but that's how they're supposed to be. We haven't got any San Francisco style humps to go over, so we'll just have to go up the road as we are. Speedo underreads very slightly, I think. Said we're doing 45 mile an hour, and I think we're probably doing just over 50. All the instruments are all working as they should. Starts on the button. There's no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. There's noises, they always are, but it's part of the fun. Gauges, fuel gauge is working, speedo, temperature gauge, what else have we got? Oil pressure and alternator all seem to be doing as they should. Haven't tested the original radio, it's fair to say, but so many people just driving in the 5 miles we've just done have waved at it and flashed their lights and everything. Possibly not a car for the shy and retiring. Changing down, no issues with the gearbox, no synchro problems. Brakes nicely by American car standards, but obviously not as good as a modern. But what a wonderful car. Just does exactly what it says on the tin. The only criticism I can make, the steering wheel is very, very slightly, and I mean very slightly off centre. Having said that, the steering is a bit vague, so but again, that's comes with the territory. Over some heavy bumps, there's a very slight rattle from the tail end. But that really is about it. She's a fabulous machine. So there we have it. I like it. I hope you do too.